Hello students, welcome to Study Life. In this session, we will continue with the concepts of circle. Now in this diagram, angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Now in this diagram, student, PQ is a chord. Okay, PQ is a chord. With PQ, we are forming two angles, that is angle PAQ and angle PCQ. Okay, chord PQ is forming two angles, angle PAQ and other angle is angle PCQ. So PQ chord is forming two angles on the circle and that is on a same arc AC. So this both the angle will be equal. So angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. See student, first and last point will be equal. Means chord PQ is forming angle A and angle C. So the measure of angle A and measure of angle C will be equal. Suppose angle PAQ is 40 degree, then measure of angle PCQ will be 40 degree and reason will be angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Now in next diagram student, O is the center of the circle. O is the center of a circle. It means AB is a diameter because diameter passing through the circle, center of the circle. So therefore AB is a diameter. Now angles, our concept is angle in a semicircle is right angle. So diameter, AB is a diameter and diameter forming angle ACB on a circle. So angle ACB is right angle. It means it is 90 degree. Means angle ACB is equals to 90 degree means it is right angle. So if in a sum, if it is not given that angle ACB is 90 degree, then you have to use this concept student, that AB is a diameter and if diameter forming angle on the circle, then it is 90 degree and reason will be angle in a semicircle is right angle. Chord cannot form right angle, only diameter form right angle on a circle. Now next concept student, ABCD. It is a quadrilateral because it has four sides, side AB, BC, CD and AD, and four vertices are on a circle. It means quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Four vertices of a quadrilateral are on a circle. Therefore, quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So what is cyclic quadrilateral? Whose four vertices are on a circle, then quadrilateral is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now in next diagram, ABCD is a quadrilateral and vertices of ABCD is on a circle. Means quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Then we have one theorem based on cyclic quadrilateral, that is opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral supplementary. Now what is supplementary, students? Sum of the angle is 180 degree. When sum of the angle is 180 degree, then angles are supplementary. So opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral are 180 degree. Means which are opposite angle? Angle A and angle C will be opposite angle. So angle BAD plus angle BCD will be 180 degree. Sum of the opposite angle is supplementary. So 180 degree, and angle B and D are also opposite angle. So angle ABC plus angle ADC is equals to 180 degree. So example, student, if I give you angle A is equals to 100 degree. If angle A is equals to 100 degree, then what is the measure of angle C? Angle C is 180 minus 100, because sum of the angle A and angle C will be 180 degree. So angle A plus angle C is equals to 180. So 180 minus 100. So measure of angle C is equals to 80 degree. Now next concept, student, AB and CD are chord of the circle. So if two chords are equal, if in this diagram chord AB equals to chord CD, then their corresponding arcs will be equal. So I can say that chord CD form arc CD and chord AB form arc AB. So if chord AB equals to CD, then measure of arc CD will be equals to measure of arc AB. This is arc CD and AB will be equal. This AB will be equal. So if two chords are equal, then their corresponding arcs will be equal. So chord AB equals to chord CD, then measure of arc CD will be equals to measure of arc AB. Now it's converse, student. If two arcs are equal, then their corresponding chords will be equal. So converse, if measure of arc CD is equals to measure of arc AB, then we can say that their corresponding chords will be equal, means their measure will be equal. So arc CD, corresponding chord is CD equals to AB. So here we are done with the concepts which we have in 9th standard, but all these concepts, there are 10 concepts, all these concepts will help you to solve the sums. Okay students, now we'll start theorems in my next video, so stay tuned with the Study Life. Thank you.